Oh, there you go. 6. What's wrong?
I think most difficult is 56.
Yeah.
You got the 56.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Wait.
That thing yesterday.
I got the game yesterday. I've been playing it all morning. I've been playing it since like this time now.
Since yesterday.
No.
Oh my god.
What's the time?
Like 10 past 1.
There you go. I've been playing it since like 10.
You've been playing it for like
Something like that.
Non-stop.
Pretty much.
okay, go away.
No, not yet.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put it on Facebook. Because Jasmine's mom doesn't believe me.
She likes video games.
Oh yeah, she plays this. She's mad as at this game. She wrecked my score at this. Except now. Now she won't. Wait. Gonna get the big one. Which just nose down all the zombies. It's so cool. It's like a Molotov of my soul. You don't have to hold it down.
Oh. Just hold me.
Okay, now 57. See, I want to see what she says when she finds out that I wasn't lying.
What did you tell her what this thing?
I thought I was up to 54, and she said I'm full of shit.
Put your face in it so she knows it's you.
Oh, fuck, that was bright.
What happened?
Pause it.
What happened?
How? Whatever you want.
57.
50 fucking 7. Where did you say that?
Right there at the top, under the score. I love that sound, man. It's like a fucking transformer.
3 hours.
I've been playing it since I woke up.
You didn't wake up early.
I did today.
You're gonna
Get
like
in the teleporter, you
kill
slut.
the battery.
Yeah, it's almost dead. It's not up to 3% yet. Hang on, the rest of the dog. No! The rest of the doggy to pop up. There he is. I love that noise. Oh.
Stop filming now.
Wait. When I finish the level, in a minute.
I'll just press the button up here.
No, there's a stop button on the screen. Don't push it yet.
Now.
Yeah. Push it really hard.